What's up, guys? Will H, and today we're taking a look at a case that I picked up from my Nintendo Switch 2. Now, I picked this case up from Best Buy, 12, 14 bucks, something like that. Very inexpensive. And here's the packaging that it comes in. I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to go pick this up. Next, slim to go case, built to go, designed to protect. You got down here, low profile design, hard shell protection, lightweight. Made for the Nintendo Switch 2. And then on the back, it's going to give you a few more of the specs. Slim design, big protection, padded edge, inner hard shell, and splash-proof zipper design. Custom fit, molded and constructed to perfectly fit the Nintendo Switch 2 system. You get system straps to hold it down in place, keep the Switch safe and secure. Custom fit, heavy-duty rubber handle. Now, this will not work with the Switch OLED or the Switch. So those are some of the features. Here's the case. Got a little branding right there. Hard shell. Here's your rubber handle right here. You get rubber on your zippers here as well, with a little logo on there as well. And on the back, just this material here that we see all the time on different cases. So let's open this up and see what it looks like here. Do like the little rubber on the zippers as well. Gives it a little class, a little touch there. Soft material on the inside of it. Got Next branding. Here are your two straps to hold it down. Now, right off the bat, there's no place to keep your charging cable, your game cartridges, or anything like that. So that is one thing I don't like, but you can always have more than one case. So this may be an extra case that you can pick up just to have when you don't need to carry all that stuff. Let's go ahead and drop the Nintendo Switch 2 in here, see what it looks like. So it fits in there perfectly, no issues there. Doesn't look like it's gonna roll around anything. The straps have it down pretty tight. Now, if I had a case on my Nintendo Switch 2, I think it would still fit in there very well. So I will be picking up a case for the device. This is a carrying case here. So in there pretty good. Can zip it up. Go ahead and zip this up. Can't see the inside of it, but here it is. You can feel it rolling around a little bit, moving around, but it's not going to get damaged or anything because it's on the inside, and if you drop it, it's going to give you some type of protection here. Let's see how hard it is to get this back out of the device here, out of the case, I should say. Lift your strap up. Lift this strap up, and there you are. So, very nice case by the company Next. I've never heard of them. I don't know if that's a Best Buy brand or something like that, but here it is. Does pick up a little fingerprints there. I do have some lotion on my hands picking that up, but it should be very easy to clean. But yeah, man, the Next case for your Nintendo Switch 2. I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to go pick this up. Will H, I'm out.